नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका। मैं हूं आपके साथ अंशुल त्यागी और मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं रचना सागर के सीएमडी ललित गुप्ता जी। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है सर आपका। सर, सबसे पहला सवाल, क्योंकि रचना सागर की जब हम बात करते हैं तो मैं जानना चाहूंगा कि रचना सागर क्या है, उसे कैसे समझा जाना चाहिए और कितने सालों से वो एजुकेशन लाइन में जो है वो कार्य कर रहा है।
Rachna Sagar, is there in this line since 1995.
जी
We started with the sample papers for class 9th onwards, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and they were a instant hit in the first year itself because जो उसके अंदर टीचर्स और ऑथर्स का ग्रुप जिन्होंने हमारे साथ एसोसिएट किया और जिन्होंने मैटर लिखा, so they were very expert in their respective field, so it was a big hit among the children. And there were lines outside the shops to buy our sample papers. From that year onwards, we progressed very fast. हमने बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स निकाले क्लास 9 to 12 के अंदर, जिसमें CBSE क्वेश्चन बैंक निकाला, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन बैंक निकाला, EAD सैम्पल पेपर्स, परीक्षा पेपर्स, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द स्कूल बुक्स निकाली क्लास LKG से लेके क्लास 8 तक।
सर, क्योंकि ईएडी की आपने बात की, मैंने जब भी मार्केट में सुना है या फिर मार्केट में देखा है तो हमेशा एक सवाल जो है लोगों के दिमाग में रहता है कि ईएडी का लोग वेट करते हैं। ऐसा क्या है ईएडी में? ईएडी को मैं चाहूंगा आप एक्सप्लेन करें एक बार।
EAD, has been our top-notch product. EAD means easy, average, and difficult. We have designed this sample paper by name of EAD, easy, average, difficult. In this sample paper, what we have given is 3 easy papers, out of which 1 is solved, 2 unsolved. Then we have average papers, again 1 solved, 2 unsolved. Then difficult level of question paper, here again we have 1 solved and 2 unsolved. That means we have 9 question papers which are based on easy, average, difficult concept. After a child attempts all these papers stage wise, then he jumps on to the CBSE practice papers, which are 4 in number given in our book, out of which 2 are solved and 2 unsolved. Once the child attempts these 4 papers apart from the initial 9, then he goes to the mock paper, which is a sealed paper given inside the book, which is designed exactly on the same parameter on which CBSE sample paper is based. Before attempting the final mock paper, we have also given 2 practice papers. One of them is a CBSE sample paper which a child can practice, and the other is the previous year examination papers. In all, there are 15 plus 1, that is 16 question papers which a child will find in this book. And we have added new features in this year sample paper. I will just explain you what all features are there.
क्या वो फीचर्स हैं सर, अगर मैं चाहूँ कुछ बता पाएं उसके बारे में तो?
I have to go on the laptop to explain those features. Before I explain the features of our sample paper, that is EAD sample paper, I would like the teachers and the students to look into the CBSE website, that is cbse.nic.in. Once they go to this website, they should go to the academic portion of it and click on this handbook portion. Once they click this handbook portion, they will find handbooks and manuals which contains competency focused practice questions in science 10th, SST 10th, English 10th and maths 10th. Apart from this, they will also find practice book science 10th, 9th, then maths 9th and 10th. This is one thing I just want to bring to your notice. Again, when they come back to this site, academic website, they should also access CBSE resources. Under this CBSE resources, children will find learning frameworks, teacher resources and assessment. Once they go to the CBSE academic website, they should go to the learning frameworks, under which we have 3 subheadings: suggested assessment framework, competency based framework for literacy and CBSE learning frameworks. Once they open CBSE suggested assessment framework, herein they will find a lot of practice questions which have been developed in collaboration with British Council and Alpha Plus. once they open teacher resources, they will again find a number of resources which have been developed with the help of British Council and Cambridge. Number 3, if they go to the assessment portion of it, they will find various resources here again developed again with British Council and Alpha Plus. So these are few organizations with the help of which CBSE has developed various learning resources. Now, I just wanted to bring to you on this website to make you aware that whatever CBSE has mentioned in their website, we have taken the finer points, the important questions from this website and presented in our books. That is, whether it is a CBSE question bank or EAD sample paper or our previous year question bank. I will just show you a glimpse of all these features in our book. Now this EAD, as you are mentioning, this is the booklet EAD we have. This contains 15 plus 1 question papers. Out of this 15 plus 1, that is 16 question papers, we have 3 easy level of question papers, out of which 1 is solved and 2 unsolved. Once the child attempts easy level of questions, he moves on to the average level. Here again, 1 question paper is solved and we have 2. After these 4 papers are attempted, the child then goes on to attempt the CBSE sample paper and also the previous year examination paper 2023. Once all this is done, then the final mock test paper is given in the book, which is a sealed paper. Now, questions and answers to all the questions are given in the book itself. There is some specific QR code which is given in the book. Once the child scans this code, this is the QR scanner code. Once the child scans this code, the child is able to get the solutions to all the question papers. So, children love to attempt CBSE sample papers of EAD, which is very popular, and we are releasing this paper in maybe tomorrow or maybe today itself. Thank you.